So Capricorn, in this video we are going to see a different aspects about this is a general reading. You can resonate based on your relationship or job or for particular situation, family, money, partnership, dealership. It could be anything. You can relate it to your situation. The main thing is uh, it's a general one. It may or may not resonate. Take what resonates with you. And one more thing, if you want to book a personal reading, that is all the details are in the description box. You can contact me through Instagram or through my WhatsApp number. We can do a personal readings, and personal readings are chargeable. I'll be doing personal reading based on your name and date of birth. Okay, that would give you the accurate information of what you're looking for. If you're stuck between some new situation or thing or some what what kind of uh, tarot and oracle gods are guiding you, I'll be giving you the same kind of information. And one more thing, like if you're new to my channel, kindly please like, share and subscribe. And without any delay, let's begin. Yeah. Capricorn, I'll be doing what does your mind says, what does your heart says, what are the fears, what is the positive outcome and advice. I'll be doing monology card oracle reading also. I'll be taking one card, and based on that I'll be telling you like what it is about to say and what is the um, important thing. Okay, yeah, let's begin. Capricorn, please. Capricorn, please. What does their mind says? Capricorn, please. Two cards, please. What does their mind says? You can relate it to your based on your situation. Two cards, please. The Queen of Pentacles and the Star. Okay, your mind seems to be quite grounded, and it has some hope and faith. Okay, what does your heart says? It's very much grounded. Your mind is very much grounded, and it's very down to earth. Are you the person down to earth? Like you're a down to earth person? Okay, let's see. What does your heart says? Your heart is completely different. What is the fear is all about? 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 Two cards, please. Fear is about some arguments, something like that. Okay. Let's look out for the oracle cards. What is it you want to say for Capricorn regarding the situation and the circumstance, or about whatever it is? What do they need to hear from you? What do they need to hear from you for Capricorn? What do they need to hear from you? What do they need to hear from you? Show me the accurate card, please. Show me the accurate card, please. Adjustments are required. Okay. Adjustments are required. Adjustments are required. Okay. Let's see. Let's do the reading. So it's just guiding you, like there are some adjustments need to be done from your side. So let's do it for your mind, heart and fear. Your mind is very clear. It seems to be very much grounded. It's just looking. There is some unexpected change that have happened, so your mind is trying to calm yourself. This is what I'm getting it from the cards over here. But your mind is, but your heart is it is longing to do some inner work within yourself. and you seems to be very strict, very firm, and I think you have locked yourself from the society, or locked yourself from the people, you're trying to be calm, like you're in a hermit mode, dude. You're in a hermit mode, trying to understand more about yourself. There is a lot of inner reflections, inner work is going on. So this is what I could see that here clearly. The hermit, which is trying to say that, you're searching for something within yourself. Some people would have get into some kind of spiritual thing. Some awakening is happening within yourself regarding the situation, or it could be the spiritual awakening too. It could be the spiritual awakening too. It could be anything. The fear is the wheel of fortune and the page of swords. Okay, I'm not getting a clear message from the cards, but let's clarify about what it is exactly trying to say over here. The Wheel of Fortune, which is telling me, it's maybe you're so worried about your fate, or so much worried about your destiny. I feel like that you're just exactly. I feel like there is some inner reflection is going on within you. You realized that this is a karmic one, and you're very much fear about the karmic lessons. You're trying to more, if you're trying to understand more about yourself, yes, definitely this is a karmic debt. This is a karmic debt. You need to deal with this. Once you deal with it, try to understand the situation, try not to repeat the same mistakes. Yes, you are very much right. You are very much right. This is a karmic lessons. You are going through the karmic lessons. Let's clarify anyhow. And regarding the situation, in your adjustments are very much required for you right now. Sorry, my bad. It always falls. I need to buy a very big table, I think so. Small table does not fit into my requirements. Okay, let's clarify. Yes, you're very much right. You're trying to understand more about the situation, more about things. Definitely, this is a karmic lessons. Do not fear about it. Once you have learned, it will go off. Okay. Wow, Capricorn. Welcome to the club. Okay, why the Queen of... Let's clarify about your mind, Queen of Pentacles and the Star. Why is this card has come? I'm going to clarify, okay? Why the Queen of Pentacles is here? Why the Queen of Pentacles is here? Why the Star is here? Why the Star is here? Why the Star is here? Right. The Star is here for certain reasons, which is telling me Two of Swords and the Chariot. Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the Magician and the Five of Swords. I feel like you have created this own situation. You have created it on your own. Whatever running in your mind. Two terrible cards, the Five of Swords and the Two of Swords, which is telling me you want a faith. You're just looking for light at the end of the tunnel, but you're not seeing the truth. You're not seeing the truth. Your mind is not seeing the truth. Your heart is very much aware about the situation, but I feel like your mind is confusing you. Please listen to your heart. Your mind is confusing you so much. Your mind is very much confusing you. But what I say is, listen to your heart, because it is very much aware about the situation. It has found out, yes, this is a karmic lessons which you have to go through it. Once you have once it has done teaching the lessons, it will move on, and please do not repeat the same mistakes. This you have created it on your own. Please, your mind is it's just confusing you to see the truth. Please don't do that. See the truth. That is the truth. Accept the truth and move on. Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is here? Hermit, again the intuition. This is your intuition is telling you. Your intuition is trying to teach you something. It's telling you the truth. Please listen to it. Definitely a new beginning will be there, but don't be so carried away. That would be the best advice I can give to you. Why the King of Swords is here? Because your heart wants to follow something very integral, very follow the integral part, very loyal, very firm, very truthful way. This is what your heart wants to follow it. Please do the same. You no need to answer for the human beings. You need to answer only to the universe. Your responsibility is to the higher self, not to the fellow people around you. Why the King of Swords is here? You want to follow the truth. Your heart is telling you the truth. Listen to that. Listen to your intuition. Why the King of Swords is here? Why the King of Swords is here? King of Swords is clarified by the, if you are being very obsessed about something, it is for some of the people. It could be if you are obsessed, if you are not letting go of certain things, you need to let go of. Okay, there is a lot of imbalance in your thing right now. You need to balance things. Once if you balance things, then a prosperity, a success will be there for you for sure. Your mind is telling you the truth. Your mind is telling you to follow something very, very good. Please do that. Please do that. Yeah. You can able to reach the love consciousness. Prioritize. Kindly prioritize. Prioritize your intuition. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here? Why the Wheel of Fortune is here? Why the Wheel of Fortune is here? I think the after your karmic lessons or your thing, I feel like one second. Why the Page of Swords is here? Why the Page of Swords is here? For most of the people, I think it could be the relationship or partnership about your career, or it could be related to your partnership or your life partner. The fear is only about the love, not having proper clarity because you have so much of opportunities to go for. You don't know which one to choose. You're very much confused. You do not have a proper clarity, but at the same time you want to get into this romantic relationship. I feel this is going to be a karmic relationship. I feel at the same time you to feel the same, like it is a karmic relationship. If you do have the doubt, I could definitely say that it's a karmic relationship. But anyhow, let me clarify. Is it a karmic relationship? Show me the yes or no answers, please. Show me the yes or no answers, please. It is a karmic relationship. If it is about a relationship reading, is it a karmic relationship? Show me the one card like yes or no. Ace of Swords, which is telling me yes, it's a karmic relationship. Yes. Yes. And this is a karmic relationship. This relationship came into your life to teach you something which you have failed to understand in your previous lives. What's the positive outcome of this situation? What is the positive outcome of this situation? What is the positive outcome of this situation? think you're just not letting go of the particular situation or particular person. You're just holding them very tightly. You need to let go of it. Don't seem to be very much insecure about it. You can handle this. You can go through this. What's the best advice? What's the best advice? What's the best advice? Let me clarify. For your positive outcome and the advice. Why is the Seven of Wands is here as advice? Why is the Seven of Wands is here? You need to develop skills, man. You need to develop confidence. You need to learn to know where to say no, where to say yes. There is a lot of lessons you need to learn. This is advice. You need to know your boundaries. You know your limitations. You know your beliefs. Why is the Seven of Wands is here as advice? Two cards clarification, please. Yes. Seven of Wands is clarified by the Six of Cups and the Four of Wands, which is telling me yes, it could be the very known person. At the same time, you need to take rest. You need to take rest. You need to take rest. Stop being so desperate. Stop being so desperate. Come out. Come out. Let go of that person and rest yourself. Try to understand this is a karmic thing. This is the karmic lessons which happened. Okay, why the Seven of Pentacles is here as outcome? Why is the Seven of Pentacles is here as the outcome? See, this is a Four of Pentacles. This is again a Four of Pentacles. I'm getting two Four of Pentacles, which is telling me for regarding your outcome is you are just holding on to it. Holding on to it. You need to leave, because it's a karmic relationship. This is not going to last long forever. It could be a friendship. It could be your partner. It could be a relationship. You need to let go of that. It's very difficult to chew the truth and accept the truth. Trust me, I know that. But you need to face this. You need to come out of this. That would be the best advice I could give to you. Yes, this is a challenge, but you need to protect yourself. Adjustments are required. Thank you so much. If you want to book a personal reading, all the details are in the description box. Thank you so much. Let's all spread only love.